Hello, all my beautiful friends. I am Meg. I am an Italian trained chef, and I am also a mom of 3, and I'm here to help you get easy, quick meals on the table for your family. Stay tuned. Make sure you like, subscribe, message in the comment section. Tell me what you want to see on this channel, but this channel is ultimately for you. So I hope you get cooking and enjoy. Wait to get into the kitchen with you again, but make sure you like, subscribe, and comment below. Tell me if you have any questions whatsoever. I'm here to help you. Happy cooking!